Marhaba. It is widely used Arabic greeting meaning hello, hi, or welcome. Some use Assalamu alaikum. I believe that learning new things in everyday life immense your knowledge for new ideas, creative thinking, and understanding. This place is called Hala Sultan Teki. Teki refers to a Sufi lodge or convent, and Hala Sultan translates from Turkish as Mother Sultan or Aunt Sultan, referring to Haram. It is built around the burial site of Haram. Haram bin Milhan was a prominent female companion of the Prophet Muhammad and an Ansari from Medina. She is a companion and a foster sister of Prophet Muhammad. She is a revered wartime nurse and early adopter of Islam. She is best known for participating in the first Muslim naval expedition. Furthermore, known as for her immense courage, piety, and dedication to the early Muslim community, often coming for wounded soldier battles. Moreover, figured in Islamic history symbolizing bravery of early Muslim women in the initial expansion of Islam in the Mediterranean. It is often considered the most important Muslim shrine in Cyprus and among the most revered in the world, often cited as the most important in Islam after Mecca and Medina. This site is a popular tourist attraction known for its Ottoman architecture, tranquil garden, and the location is next to a salt lake that hosts to see pink flamingos in winter. It offers peaceful atmosphere. Many guests are delighted by the hundreds of cats that roam the grounds, often described as friendly. So enjoy!